2015 Dodge Ram with a 3.6 engine. I'm gonna show you where is the oil filter. That's it. Alright, so what you need a 24mm socket with a long extension. You have to remove the air breather so you can reach. You get it loose. Once you get it loose, you can take the whole thing out. That's it. And now it's coming with the filter. You're supposed to do this before you drain your oil, not after you drain the oil. When you do the oil change, you do your filter first. Okay, once you got it outside, what you're gonna do, you're gonna pop this thing out. All right, now we have a new oil filter, but we have a O-ring too. A lot of times people skip the O-ring. It's okay, you can skip the O-ring. The problem is, do not skip the filter. You have to replace the filter. I know it's a pain in the leg to do this, but to do the O-ring, you squish it, it goes up. Now you move it over and you slide it out. I found it easy to go this way than go the thread side, because then you gotta fight every step of the thread. So now the same thing. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Okay, just slide the O-ring over, and we're gonna put a little bit grease on the O-ring. Man, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it with one hand. Let's see. Come on, a little bit more. It's coming. Hey, little more. Okay, we got it in. Okay, now we're gonna put it on the groove where it's supposed to be. That's it. So now we get the filter and we push it all the way in till it clicks. Once it clicks, you're good to go. I'm gonna put a little bit grease over here. I'll be right back. Actually, let's go. Walk with me. Now we're getting into the winter. Now we gotta work on with the doors closed. But this is a big truck. My shop is too small. Okay, I put a little grease on it. Actually, I put a lot of grease. Because if it gets super tight, next time you want to do it, this housing is plastic, you can break it. So make sure you put grease on the O-ring. You can put grease on the threads. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna put it all the way in, and you're gonna turn it by hand first. Do not use the tools, not yet. You can turn it by hand. You keep going. Once it stops, now it's touching the O-ring. Now you go with the wrench. As you can see, we're using the same housing. So if you go into these quick places where they do the oil change, I know they skip the filter. I gotta use both hands to tighten them up. Give me a minute. Okay, that's it. It doesn't go super tight. It's just enough to hold it. I'm gonna say just like maybe like a spark plug or something like that. The bad thing about this, if you go into to some mechanic shops, they're in a hurry or something, you're not gonna tell. There's no way to know if they really change the filter unless you're looking at it. So because it takes few steps to do it, and definitely if they didn't charge you at least $100 to do your oil change with the oil filter, you definitely didn't get the filter. Okay, so what you do now, you push the filter in. The air filter breather, now it's time to put it back in. You see right here, make sure it's all the way in. If you disconnect this sensor, make sure you plug it back in. It's up here. Okay. These pieces holding it, but okay, it's in. Now make sure you tighten up this oops, on my finger on the way. Make sure you tighten up the clamp, because if air goes through that thing, you might get a check engine light. So make sure you tighten them up. You can use a 5/16 socket or just a regular screwdriver, it's fine. As long as it's tight. That's it. You give it a little shake. And now you're gonna tighten up the other one. I didn't took it out, but I lose it. I think I lost this one and this one. I don't know. Make sure I check it now. Yeah, I lose this one. So that's how you replace the oil filter. You can replace the oil filter and then do the oil change, or you can just leave it open and do this last. But no, I just do the oil change, and now I go to at the bottom and drain the oil, and that's it. So that's how you do your oil filter. It's right in the middle of the engine. Like I say, don't skip this filter. The filter is the life of the oil, and a lot of mechanics, they're not doing it. And like you said, like I say, if you open the hood, you don't know if I really did it. So a lot of times I take pictures and I send it. Even if I don't send it to the owner, I keep the pictures, because sometimes some customers, they say, hey, you change the filter. So I got the pictures and I just send them. Yeah, so they happy and I'm happy that I had the pictures. So now I'm gonna open the plug. I'm gonna go underneath, drain the oil. This will, in case it's on vacuum holding the oil, which is never happened, but I like to keep it open when I drain the oil. And I'm gonna use 520 synthetic. Alright, so that's how you change the oil filter in 2015 3.6 engine. This same engine comes with some Jeeps, Caravans, Town Countries. It's kind of small engine for these huge trucks. This is a 1500. Alright, good luck. Bye bye.